These mobile devices have become a part of us. They've become an important part of our lives, and because we use them in different places and for different reasons. Some of us use phones for entertainment, to watch maybe YouTube videos, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and all that. But then, if you are one person who uses these devices for work, like you're an influencer or you're a content creator who uses your mobile phone to record your content, then the last thing that you want to have is have your phone hang. And what makes this happen? In most cases, there are different reasons why your phone could hang, and some of the most common ones is memory overload, and this can be divided into two sections. The first thing is maybe your processor capacity. Now, if you're using a phone maybe that has only 1 GB of RAM, then you don't want to have too many applications running in the background, because this will mean that your phone's memory will be overloaded, or it will not manage to operate such number of applications at the same time. So what do you do? In most cases, you can either clear your applications in the background, immediately you stop using them, or you can just create up a setting where every application that is not on the foreground is immediately crashed. Now, this is only accessible in the developer options for your phone, which is normally not activated when you buy your device. So what you're supposed to do is you should always go to the settings section, go to the Android version. In most cases you tap it 3 times and then they'll tell you you've become a developer, and then from then you can have the option to set to enable such settings where applications are immediately crashed the moment they are removed from the foreground. The second possible reason is loading too many files or applications in your device. Now, if you have applications or files in your phone that you don't use, then this is the time that you're supposed to just throw them away or delete them or clear your memory, because this overload also affects your device performance. Get rid of all applications that you're not using immediately, you're not using them, like they are normally one-time applications, like books, software that you don't use. Just delete them. If you have videos, old videos, they may look nice, but they may be affecting your device performance, and maybe music, so you have to delete them. Now, the third and last reason why your phone may be hanging and that you should be wary of is when it has a virus. Now, how does virus get into your device? Now, there are 2 or 3 ways that virus can get into your device. The first way is through Bluetooth connection, through file sharing. If you share files with your friends, you receive songs, receive videos, this can make your phone have a virus, because some music or video or any file can contain virus, and it will be transferred to your device the moment you transfer the audio or video from another device to yours. So best thing is try to install an antivirus and always scan your device, and sometimes it could help even detect such a virus at the moment a file is sent to you and block it. And it could also come from maybe connecting flash drives or memory cards that has been used on another device that had a virus. It can also come via maybe Wi-Fi connections. When somebody hacks into your device and maybe sends a virus in there, that happens. So avoid use of memory cards. Don't just connect to any free Wi-Fi, because you may lose valuable information, and I'm sure you don't want that. So try to control that. Don't be someone who loves free things. Now, the other reason why, or maybe the other way that your device can get virus, is when you just visit any sites. Most specifically, we have porn websites. These websites normally not secure, or not just porn. There are so many websites out there that have malicious files that can attack your device. So you don't just click on any link shared to you by anyone, especially on social sites. They'll send you a link and ask you to do something, or maybe promise you something, but in real sense these are normally people who are just trying to get your device and take some valuable information. So try as much as you can not to connect to such websites. So a review of what we've gone through. Why does your phone hang? 1, memory usage overload, which could be processing power or internal storage. Number 2, we have viruses, which can come from different sources, like we've said, connecting to via Bluetooth or wireless connection, Wi-Fi, and maybe things like connecting hard drives, memory cards, flash disks, all that to your device. So try as much as you can if you want to keep your device at an optimal state, or maybe in a great performance. Frequently clear memory, frequently check virus updates by installing an antivirus, and avoid connecting to free Wi-Fi. I hope this helps you clean your device and keep it performing well, so that you don't have to be interrupted in the middle of something important. You're recording a video and then boom, camera has stopped, and it's all because of a memory or a virus in your device. So I hope this helps you, and if you find it helpful, give it a like. You can share it with friends or any other creator that you know, and you can also subscribe for more similar videos that will help you become a better creator, or maybe just reduce a little stress here and there on your tech experiences, everyday experiences with tech. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.